To create a subpage in Squarespace, start by opening your web browser and navigating to squarespace.com. From there, you will be taken to your account dashboard, where you can select the website on which you want to create a subpage. Click on the website, then go to the Home section, which displays various options such as Setup Guide, Website, Selling, Invoicing, Content, Membership, Donation, Scheduling, Marketing, Contacts, and Analytics. You will also see your profile and settings underneath. Next, click on Pages, where you will see a plus sign next to the main navigation. Clicking on the plus sign will bring up options including blank page, page layout, scheduling, collections, and more. Look for the folder page option. If it's not visible, click on the drop-down and select it. Once you've added a folder page, you can add subpages to it, allowing you to group related pages together and organize your work more easily. This is the basic process for creating subpages in Squarespace.